Did you know there's a bird in the Quran that spoke to a prophet? Yes, a bird that spoke words of wisdom. If you loved Islam before knowing this, give this video a like. In Surah An-Naml, Prophet Solomon, had an army of men, jinn and birds. Among them was a tiny bird called the Hoopoe, Hudhud. One day it came with incredible news. A queen named Bilqis ruled a land where people worshipped the sun instead of Allah. This brave little bird helped deliver Sulaiman's message of truth, leading to her acceptance of Islam. A tiny bird, changing the fate of a nation. Subhanallah, the miracles of Allah are everywhere.